The forest floor crunched underfoot, each step taking you deeper into the frozen wilderness. The sun, a pale ghost behind the skeletal trees, offered no warmth. Wind, sharp as a honed knife, sliced through your layers, stealing the heat from your core. You hadn't meant to stray from the trail, but here you were, lost in a landscape that could kill you as easily as it could lull you with its stark beauty. This isn't some adventure novel. This is the reality of winter, where beauty and danger walk hand in hand. Out here, the cold is a relentless predator, slowly draining your warmth, your energy, your very life force. Understanding how to survive its icy grip isn't just a good idea. It's the difference between seeing the next sunrise and becoming another tragic tale whispered around campfires. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Forget what you've seen in the movies? Hypothermia, the real killer in the cold, doesn't announce itself with dramatic shivering. It's a silent thief, stealing your awareness, even as your body temperature plummets. 1 minute you're thinking clearly, the next you're stumbling, confused. Your judgment, as clouded as a frozen lake. Frostbite, the other danger, is more insidious. It numbs, it tingles, and then it robs you of feeling. That numbness, it's your body sacrificing extremities to protect your core. Your first line of defense against winter's wrath is simple. Stay warm. Think layers. Not just any layers, but a system, a moisture-wicking base layer, an insulating mid-layer, and a windproof, waterproof outer shell. This isn't fashion, folks, it's survival. Keep that core temperature up, and you've won half the battle. Finding or building shelter is paramount. The wilderness doesn't offer 5-star accommodations, but even a rudimentary shelter can mean the difference between life and death. A simple tarp strung between trees, a snow cave dug into a drift. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just needs to offer protection from the elements. Remember, heat rises. If you can get off the frozen ground, even a few inches, you'll significantly increase your odds of survival. A bed of pine boughs, a pile of leaves, anything to create insulation between you and the frozen earth. Fire is your lifeline in a winter survival situation. It provides warmth, a psychological boost, and a way to melt snow for drinking water. But starting a fire in the cold and potentially wet conditions of a winter scenario can be a challenge. Always carry a reliable fire starter, waterproof matches, a lighter, or a ferrocerium rod. Practice your fire starting skills beforehand. Learn to identify dry tinder, even in seemingly wet conditions. Remember, a small fire is better than no fire. Water is just as crucial as fire in a winter survival situation, even if it doesn't seem as obvious. Dehydration can set in quickly, especially with the exertion of moving through snow and the drying effects of the cold air. Melt snow or ice for drinking water. Never eat snow directly. It lowers your body temperature and can lead to hypothermia. Winter survival isn't about luck. It's about preparation and knowledge. Before venturing into the wilderness, always check the weather forecast and be prepared for unexpected changes. Pack extra layers of clothing, food, and water. Carry a survival kit with essential tools, a map and compass, a knife, a first aid kit, a signaling device. But the most important tool you can carry is knowledge. Learn basic survival skills. Practice building fires, finding shelter, signaling for help. Understand the dangers of hypothermia and frostbite. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to face the challenges of winter and emerge safely from its icy grip. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more survival tips.